Hi, I'm Terrence, author of DIY Door Dams, an instructional ebook that teaches you how to transform ordinary shelving board into flood-resistant barriers to help protect your home from rising water. When Hurricane Milton was first announced, I knew the sandbags I had used in the past wouldn't be enough to stop floodwater from seeping through our sliding glass doors. That's when I drew inspiration from my experience as a DIYer and an automobile enthusiast. Specifically, how car manufacturers prevent engine fluids from leaking out of engines under pressure and applied the same concept to stopping water from seeping into our home. What started out as a quick fix has now evolved into a set of refined, easy-to-follow designs that protect entry doors, garage doors, and sliding doors. If you've ever assembled furniture from a flat box, you already have the skills needed to build these flood barriers. The ebook includes detailed illustrations and a step-by-step online tutorial that guides you from planning to installation. These door dams are quick to build, reusable, and compact for storage, making them a smart, proactive solution for homeowners. Think of them as flood insurance. It is better to have them ready and never need them than to be caught unprepared. Download your copy of DIY Door Dams today and add up to 3 feet of protection to your home.